Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So this one is going to be really simple. So we got these old slippers that I had for about 2 years now. And all you're going to need is some rhinestone sheets and some scissors, and that's basically it. So what I'm going to do is measure the straps of the slides or slippers, whatever you want to call it, doesn't really matter. Then I'm going to cut off the rhinestone sheets. By the way, these rhinestone sheets are the ones that you just peel off the back of it and then you can just stick it on. If you don't want to use that, you can use the one without the stick on back and just use your E6000 glue or any fabric glue and you can just glue it on. So, yeah. By the way, I got the rhinestone sheets from Amazon. They're probably $6 or $13, depends on which one you want. But yeah. And obviously these slides I got from Old Navy. They're a little dirty, and instead of me just cleaning them up, I was like, what is the laziest thing I can do? Simple. Cover it up. So that's where this video is going. So since I already cut off one strap of this sheet, I'm just going to place it on top of the other rhinestone sheets so that I can measure it up properly, and then just cut it off instead of measuring it back on the slippers, which is way more easier. So now this is like really simple. All I'm gonna do is just peel off the back of the rhinestone sheets, and I'm just gonna stick it onto the slippers. Make sure you stick it on perfectly. Even though with this stick on back, you can just lift it up, move it around if you didn't put it on properly, and you're good to go. It's not like if you stick it down, then you can't lift it up or anything like that. This is not the type of stickers. Why do I keep on saying stickers? But yeah, this is really, really simple. And that's how half of it look. Then we're going to keep on removing the back all the way down, pressing down on it just so that it can stick down on it properly and it won't be lifting up or anything like that. And the extra fabric that we have at the sides, simple. Just cut it off and you are good to go. Simple. By the way, these are multicolor rhinestone sheets, so if you put it up to the light or to the sun, and you can see the different colors. If you just get the clear rhinestone sheets, it's gonna be clear. It's not gonna be multicolor, so you're just gonna get just a clear, shiny. But yeah, this is how the first strap looks. It looks pretty good. And then we're going to be redoing the same step over and over again for all of the slides. By the way, this is a half sheet that I'm using. I did not buy the full set, the full sheet, because obviously I would not need all of this. Plus, I've had this rhinestone sheets for about a year, and I was like, why not just put it to good use? So it's kind of different from the rest of them that I usually use, because this one is only half a sheet. The ones that I usually use are a full sheet, so it's different. It's like a half a yard. The other ones are like 1 yard. And now we're going to be redoing the same step onto the other pair of slides. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is basically the whole entire video. Can you believe it? Yeah. Quick and easy, and we're good to go. I don't know why I have the dirty slippers on my bed. I should put like a towel down on there. It's like if I have no home training. By the way, these last a very long time, so you don't have to worry about if you stick it down, it's going to be lifting up or anything like that. No, you're good to go. Since this is stick on, make sure you cut off all of the edges, because if you put it next to another fabric or put it down to the ground or is next to your carpet, whatever is on your carpet is going to stick on to the slides because it has a sticky back. So Make sure you snip it up nice and evenly. And this is how the slides came out. They're pretty cute, nice and simple. You can do this for any old slippers that you have instead of throwing them away. Just cover it up the mess and you're good to go. Well, this is the whole video. I hope that you guys like it. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. By the way, I almost forgot. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, now, bye.